How to see backup photos in Google Photos. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can see the backed up photos in Google Photos, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to see the backed up photos on Google Photos, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and then basically just make sure to launch the Google Photos app. If you want to know whether or not a photo has been backed up, right here on the Photos tab you'll be able to see a list of photos, and the photos that has this little check icon in the circle box on the right hand side means that these photos has actually been backed up. So these are all of the backed up photos that I have backed up on my Google Drive account. Now if you want to find the photos that are not backed up and only on your phone, tap on Library, and here you can see this little wallpaper and albums. These have this little cloud icon, but they are basically cut out. As you can see carefully, the little cloud icon, but they're cut out. It simply indicates that these photos are not backed up. So if I want to back it up, I can turn on backup over here, but it simply means that these photos are not backed up as well. So I can back it up if I want to. So hope this video helped you as to how you can see backup photos in Google Photos. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.